Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete Google Play Store purchase history. So without further ado, let's begin. Open your Google Play Store and then go to your profile page. To do that, just tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then just tap on Manage your Google account. It will then direct you to your Google account. Now just tap on Data and Privacy. Just scroll down at the bottom and then you'll see Delete my Google account. So to delete your Google Play Store purchase history is actually to delete your Google account. If your purchase history is that important to you to delete, then it would be best to delete your Google account. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.